that we took decision as directed by God himself. But I don't want us to get weary. I don't want us to be tired. We need to sustain this. What we are doing is what we are supposed to do. We are here, people think we are just milling around. No, our presence here says it all. So please sustain it. I need to tell you because I don't want a situation where tomorrow somebody's here, but I called you but you didn't tell your people. The governor spoke with me yesterday and he said he's on top of it. He's planning to come in today, but he said if he's not able to come because of other pre-engagements, he will come in tomorrow. But when he's coming, he will call me. And when he calls me, I can assure you, we'll do a broadcast so that people can come. So that he's not going to meet me alone. Like the Yoruba say, in your last reunion, I cannot stand alone and say I'm your chairman. Chairman without troops, no chairman.
Like you said, it's good to see that